Good morning. I'm Surin. Welcome to Eagles News, bringing you Eye on News for Friday, the 4th October 2019. First up today, we are going to present our special investigative report, how MotoGP affects Surin economy. Some of our reporters are at hotels and bars to interview local business owners about the situation right now.
Thank you very much, Surin. Now at Majestic Hotel, we are here to interview Nurak. He is the receptionist at this hotel. How far in advance these people book?
Yes, they start booking since the beginning of the year. There were many people interested.
How many rooms are full?
Around 60 rooms.
How many on a normal Thursday, Friday, and Saturday?
The normal rate around 20 rooms.
Do people ask about other things to do in Surin?
Yes, they do. For example, Elephant Village, Tasawang Village, and Castle. Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Back to you in the studio.
Thank you very much, Ms. Siddharth at Majestic Hotel. Now we are cross to Ms. Thanaporn at the Blue Elephant Guest House.
Thank you very much, Shailin. Now I'm at Blue Elephant Guest House, and now I'm with Mrs. Sutaon, the owner of this guest house. How many rooms are full?
4 rooms.
How many on a normal Thursday, Friday, and Saturday?
Yes, we don't normally open on normally day. Just special occasion like MotoGP or Elephant Festival.
And the last question is, do people ask about other things to do in Surin?
Yes, they do. They normally ask for museum, castle, where to go for food, and convenience store.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Same you.
And thank you. Back to you in the studio.
Now let's hear from Ms. Orthai, who is covering local bar for the event.
I'm here at A&E Fantasy Bars, a popular drinking spot for foreigners visitors to Surin. We are here to talk to Ab Solem, the owners. Have you seen an increase in business?
Yeah, for sure. In Surin and Buriram is very active in the MotoGP. It's important for us.
What country are people from?
From all over the world.
How much do they spend?
It's from 200 baht to 2,000 baht is eating, drinking, house, longest stay in one night.
Are the visitors well behaved or do they cause problems?
Never have problem with them. They're very nice.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Let's go back to the studio.
Thanks for that, Orthai. As we can see from this special investigative report, the economic impact on Surin MotoGP is overwhelmingly positive. The 3 businesses we spoke to all talk about an increase in foreign customers coming to enjoy Surin. Thank you for watching Eye on News. From all of us here at Eagle News, have a good day.